What is up, my buttery biscuits? So in today's video, I'm low-key excited. Okay, so if you guys are new here, which I feel like a lot of y'all are new here, I used to do a monthly Q&A as well as a monthly anti-haul, just part of something I used to do. And the Q&As literally were my favorite to do, or one of my favorite to do, because I love anti-hauls too. So the reason why is, for some reason, when I started doing the Q&As, I was growing on social media, so I got so many hate questions. Like, people would be like, how do you do foundation on your ugly potato head? Like, where do you stop since you ain't got no hairline, you know? And I would just have so much fun answering these questions because, I don't know, it's just fun to me. You know, when people give me hate, I'm just like, okay, let's have fun with it. And it was just so fun. And then on top of that too, I felt like we were bonding, you know, because I get to answer your guys' questions. It feels like you guys get to know me a little bit more, and I think that is necessary if you guys are spending your time watching me. So in today's video, I am bringing back my Q&A, and I'm just so excited for this. And you guys, I'm gonna start doing it again every month. So I usually ask on, I only ask on Instagram. So if you guys don't have me on Instagram, I really don't post there much because I just don't like Instagram anymore. I'm just totally over it. But if you guys want to be part of my Q&As in the future, you guys can go over to my Instagram and go ahead and follow me there, so that way you guys can see when I'm gonna do another Q&A, so that way you guys can feel free to ask me questions. I'm gonna be doing this every single month again because I really do miss doing it, and it was just so fun to me. I don't know why I like answering questions. Like, literally any questions you guys want to ask, I am down to answer. Literally anything. So anyways, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys turn on your post notifications, so that way you guys get notified when I upload a new video. Also, you guys, I literally keep forgetting every single video, and I know that I have to remind you guys, please give me a thumbs up if you guys can. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. You know, that really does help me out, and I keep forgetting to mention it. So I gotta throw it in there. Give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and jump into the Q&A. All right, the first question, we're going to start off, I guess, a little deep. How are you and your boo doing? Are you still traveling back and forth to see each other? By the way, love you so much. Love you too, girl. Unfortunately, no, we actually broke up. He was during his 3-month stay here, and we broke up in the middle of his stay, and I just couldn't take it no more, and I was like, go back to Italy, because I just could not take it. It's so crazy though, like, now he is literally so much of a better person. It's just, I don't know, it's so weird. And for my 30th birthday in February, I am possibly, I'm really thinking about it, going to Japan with him. If I do, I 100% will vlog that, because how interesting will it be to have a video saying going to Japan with my ex, like, for real. So you guys will have to stay tuned for that. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I feel like that's out of my comfort zone. Like, damn, we've been broken up for 4 months now, but we literally talk every single day. Who knows, you know, if we'll ever get back together? I really don't know. As of right now, I am enjoying my single life, my alone time. I am really enjoying that, but we'll see in the future. Next question, do you miss working at Mack? Why did you leave? PS, you're effing bomb. Thank you, boo. Okay, so no, I do not miss working at Mack. I literally had a nightmare about going to work back for Mack. This actually was the day before Thanksgiving, and I'm not kidding you guys, I'm being so serious right now. It used to like kill me to have to work there. I hate working retail so much. Any of you guys working retail, I literally worked retail 10 years of my life, and I am so happy I am no longer in retail. I will not go back there. Like, no, no, I won't do it. The reason why I left, honestly, you guys, is because I'm sure everyone knows this by now, Mack is just focused on numbers. That's all they care about. It's all about sell, 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 sell. And it's so annoying that you have these high sales goals and you don't even make commission. So if you work at Nordstrom, you will make commission. However, I was working at the Mack store and I was working at Macy's. Those two, those two do not offer commission, and you still have the same amount of high goals and you don't get commission. So I'm just like, there's no incentive, but you guys are like stressing, because if you don't make your goal, you get written up, and it was just too stressful. And retail in general is just so stressful, especially during the holidays, you guys. I'm not kidding you guys. I would literally just go crazy during the holidays. I'm like, no, this helicopter again. So to answer your question, no, I do not miss working at Mack, and that's the reason why I left, is the goals. It's just annoying. Next question, can you come to the 99-cent store so I can give you another hug? So that means that we hugged before, so I'm really sorry that my boobs were all up in your face, girl, because they hefty. They are real hefty. Yes, I can. Actually, you guys, the reason why I put this question in here is because I literally love the 99-cent store. Do you guys like the 99-cent store? I know a lot of people talk trash on it because, you know, low-key, it's a little trashy, it's a little messy, but I literally love it there. Like, I feel like you find some bomb stuff, and no matter how much money I have, I'm still gonna always shop at the 99-cent store. It's just my store. Me and my Nana love to go there. Like, me and my Nana be having bonding time at the 99-cent store. And she'll always let me know, oh, I found this at the 99-cent store, and then I'll send her pictures. Oh, look what's at the 99-cent store. I literally love the 99-cent store. And on top of that, you guys already know I'm poor. Like, I'm broke, so dead broke, that the 99-cent store is my best friend. So yes, boo, you'll be seeing me real soon, and I can give you another hug. What other jobs have you had in the past? Okay, so just in case you guys currently don't know this, right now I work for a makeup school. However, I'm just like a content creator for the school, ironically enough, and that's what I'm doing here on YouTube, is being a content creator. So basically what I do for the school is I film their videos, I film their makeup looks, and then I edit them and make them videos. So I do all their social media content, which to me is just so fun. It's literally what I do, but for the school. So it's super, super cool. Jobs that I've had in the past. So I worked at Mack. I worked at Mack for almost 8 years, which I answered that question already. You guys obviously already know that. And my 2 other jobs, my very first job was at Disneyland, which, girl, this is part of the reason why I got so fat, because I used to work on outdoor vending, which means I worked for at the churro carts. I worked on the churro carts. Oh, working on churros was my favorite. No. Working on the pretzel cart was my favorite. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm not kidding you. I would literally just break off a little piece of pretzel and say that I dropped on the floor and literally eat it. Disney, if you're watching this, it's past 10 years, there's nothing you can do. I ate that pretzel, yes I did. Then I worked at Ralph's. After that, the grocery store. I hated working there. Y'all, I hated working there so much. I was late every single day, and I'm talking like 20-30 minutes. I don't know how they didn't fire me. Like, I'll literally never understand how they didn't fire me, because I was late every day. This is actually a really good question. What is the pros and cons of being a new drama channel? So let's go ahead and start off with the cons first. So the cons, really, so far, I would say I've only got a little bit of it, but the hate. And you guys, back in the day when I first started on YouTube and Instagram, I used to get a lot of hate, obviously, being a man in beauty, especially the way that I look, you guys, having a beard, being fat, being bald. I got so many hate comments, but to me, you guys know this about me, in my family, I have, like, we joke so hard that I've literally heard it all. Like, literally, you name it, I've heard it from my own family. So when I hear it from a stranger, I'm like, okay, whatever, I already heard that, you know. However, this is a little bit different now that I get these hate comments and stuff like that. People are attacking my character, and this is what makes me so mad, is if you have a difference in opinion with somebody, that's usually a good thing, because you get to open up your mind and grow a little bit more as a person, as a human, as a soul. And to me, people literally just can't deal with the difference of opinion, and it's so stupid, because you guys, in my family, it's so crazy. Ironically enough, okay, so I have, like, okay, how do I put this? My mom's dad's side of the family, full of Republicans, literally. And I want to keep this in mind, you guys. I'm not saying all Republicans are like this, okay? And then the other side, all Democrats, right? So whenever I'm around the Republican side of the family, they have, you know, these strong opinions, and they push those opinions on you. And I sit there and I'm telling you, as this family is so opinionated and saying, you know what, this about this and this about this, I literally sit there, and if I don't agree, I don't agree with you. Yeah, no, I don't agree with that. What? No, I don't agree with that. No. Literally that simple. I just don't get it. Like, people on the internet go so hard when they don't agree with you that they bash you, and it's just so dumb, you know? Like, I truly don't get it. So that would be the con to me, is getting this hate, attacking your character when it's like, you know who you are and you know you're an unbiased, positive person, and people still come for you. So that is definitely a con right there. The pros are, I really enjoy it, okay? So I'm finding it so interesting to, you know, find out the chisme, gossip a little bit, as well as I really have built a stronger connection with you guys. And that was literally my main goal here on social media, is to build a connection with you guys. As you guys know, I'm always in the comments replying back to you guys, always replying to my DMs, always responding to my tweets. That was my goal here. And now that I'm doing this commentary thing, my comments have literally tripled. So you guys are commenting and giving me feedback, and you know, we're having more conversations than ever before. So that to me is a really big pro. I feel like I'm just with my friends now, you know what I'm saying? Like, every single time I hang out with my friends, we talk about this, we talk about that, and it's just, a good time to have conversations. It helps you open up your mind, helps you open up your soul, and I think that has really been a positive so far. Actually, a way bigger positive than the con. What's been your favorite part about covering a drama series? Okay, so you guys, the reason why too, another reason, okay, that I probably could have just put on the pros too of the last one, is it to me comes so naturally because I love to talk. I'm a big time talker. I'm telling you guys, if you have ever met me out at a bar, you guys are probably like, damn, he's annoying. I'd be like, oh my God, so how are you doing today? Oh, what brings you here? Are you from here? Like, I literally am a talker. I don't know why. And I know sometimes, you know what, people are just probably like, shut up, you know, but I just love to know about people and I love having a conversation with somebody, you know? I feel like we're humans and having that human interaction, it just really means a lot to me. And especially while I'm out, if I'm drinking, I am just the nicest person in the world and just love to talk. So this comes really, really natural to me. So another thing, like, just to be straight up with you guys, I used to stress about what beauty videos I'm going to do. You guys know that I'm broke. So say for example, oh, there's this new Smashbox foundation you guys want me to review and it's like $40 and I'm like, oh my God. And then you want a review of the Anastasia foundation, that's like $40. It's just, it's so expensive that I just can't keep up with it. And I would have to think of like new looks, about new videos. It just, you have to try so hard. And with this, the topics come to you, you know? It's like you just go on social media and, oh, Jaclyn Hill is doing this. Oh, Jimmy Chuck's doing this. Oh, Jeffree Star is doing this. So it's just, it's really easy. It's really easy. It's really fun. And it's super interactive. And that part I'm really, really loving. What's the farthest you've traveled for some vitamin D? Okay, this is a funny question because just a lot of you guys are new here. So you guys, I was in a relationship for almost 2 years with my ex who actually, he was born and raised in Sicily, Italy. However, he was working and living in Ibiza 9 months out of the year. So I would go and visit him. I visited him 5 times in Ibiza. So I guess you could technically say that I've traveled to Ibiza for some vitamin D, if you get what I'm saying. However, I'm not traveling that far anymore. And I don't really miss Ibiza, you guys. Oh my God. I feel like Ibiza is a cool place to like go maybe like, you know, once a year or maybe once ever, but to go there 5 times within the span of like a year and a half is just like, there's not very much to do there. So I don't really miss it. Not that that was the question, but that's the furthest that I've traveled for some D. This question, girl, will you be my butt plug? Like, you cute, boo-boo. Yes, girl, if you can take this big old potato up your booty, then I will be your butt plug, okay? This is random, but do you ever think you would have children? No, but when I was 17, you guys, I really went through this phase. My mom's super young mom. She had me when she was 15, and I have an older sister. I have an older sister. She had her when she was 14. Well, so I went through this phase that I don't know why. For some reason, I wanted to be a young parent too. And I felt like, oh my God, I don't want to be an old parent. So when I was 17, I was working at Disneyland and I wanted a kid so bad that I was talking to one of my coworkers / friends about it. And she literally told me, she was like, well, if you want, I'll have your kid, you know? And I literally, you guys, I'm not kidding you. I spent like a good, I don't know, month or 2 months, like really saying, you know what? I think I'm going to do it. And then I was just like, no. And now, you guys, I 100% do not want kids at all. I think I'm just too selfish. I just want to like travel the world. That's all I want to do is travel. So I feel like it'll be really hard to travel with a kid. But you know what though? Opinions change. Maybe in 5 years, my opinion will change. Are you going to make any more videos with Roman? I love your videos with him. Actually, Roman and Genevieve are my like literal 2 favorite people to film with. It's just such a good time every single time. However, all my friends, literally all my friends work in retail. So if you guys know, this time of the year is rough. They got them working 6 days a week, a lot of doubles. So right now, no, but maybe hopefully in January, mid-January, because I miss having Roman and Genevieve on my channel. I love them so much, my big old buttery biscuits. So as soon as the retail season is slowing down, yes. How is your dating life? Are you focusing more on yourself nowadays? This buttery biscuit is nosy. Girl, me too. Okay, so my dating life is non-existent right now. I still do keep in contact with my ex, but I wouldn't consider that dating or talking. Like, we just talk? I don't know. But I'm not dating, no. I'm the type of person that after I get out of a serious relationship, woo, I need some time. Like, I literally need, I say that like I'm always in a serious relationship I've literally been into. How stupid do I sound? But okay, no. Okay, let me reword this. Okay, I'm the type of person that as soon as I get out of a relationship, I need space. I'd like to be alone, and to be honest with you guys, there are sometimes that I think that I'm gonna end up alone in life because I really do enjoy my alone time. I don't know why. There's just like I like listening to what I like to listen to. I like eating what I like to eat. I like my alone time. So dating right now is a no, and yes, I'm focusing on just myself and my YouTube. I really want to make this my career so bad, so this is what I'm focusing all my time and energy on and nothing else. All right, you guys, so that completes my month's Q&A. Thank you guys so much for participating. I literally love Q&As. I don't know why. For some reason, they make me happy. I like answering you guys' questions because I feel like we're bonding. It's bonding time right now. So if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And yes, don't forget to follow me on Instagram so that way you guys can ask me questions for my January Q&A, which will be coming up in like 30 days, obviously. Anyways, you guys, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.